Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome to Nova Foundation. Today we will see how to connect Power BI. Okay, how to connect Power BI. BI is the business intelligence tool by Microsoft. So we are going to see how to connect Power BI with MySQL. So I consider you have already installed Power BI and MySQL. If not, you can check the video and you can install Power BI and MySQL. So the first step, what we have to see before integrating Power BI with MySQL is the first step. Open Windows PowerShell. Okay, and type this system dot data dot common dot db provider factories colon get factory classes pipeline symbol ogv. Okay, type this in PowerShell and just press enter. So you will get the MySQL data provider listed here. If it is not listed, then go to Chrome and give MySQL connector. Okay, here MySQL download connector .NET is there. Okay, so just go to this website and download it and install it. Then restart your system or restart PowerShell and see to it you have this coming. Once this MySQL data provider is listed, then we can go to Power BI to integrate with MySQL. So I'm using example. You can use MySQL Workbench also. I'm using XAMPP to PHP MyAdmin controller. So I have started my Apache and it is running on the port 8095. By default, the port number is 8080. But since I've already used, I changed the port number to 8095. Here is the configuration file. You can change the port number. Then MySQL, the port number is 3307. By default, it is 3306, but I changed the port number to 3307. If you want to change the port number, again you can go to config myini and you can change the port number. This MySQL server number is there, no? You can change the port number and then restart the MySQL. So both are running. Apache Tomcat server and MySQL both are running. Now I can open it in browser. Okay, in browser I have opened localhost colon. I've used the loopback address 127.0.0.1 and localhost colon 8095 slash php admin will open my database. Here I have created a database called Power BI MySQL Connection. Okay, in this database, I have created three tables: English, Maths, and Physics. Each table contains three columns: registration number, name, and marks. I have three students: Balaji N, Neelakandan M, and Lakshmi N. So all three are attending these three. Okay, English 3 student, Maths 3 student, Physics 3 students are there. The database name is Power BI MySQL Connection. Create a database and create the tables and enter the values. I am not teaching those things. Now we want to integrate this with Power BI. So in Power BI we have lot of data sources. So we have seen Excel. Now we are going to see how to connect with MySQL. In that case, click on get data from other sources. Here go to get data. Okay. So we have database here. Just click on get data, database and MySQL database and give connect. We have to do configuration. Server is there. Server, you can don't give localhost name, don't give the host name. So this is my server name, localhost colon 3307, or else you can give 127.0.0.1 colon the port number. This will be the server name. So this server name I am copying and I am putting it in server name. And database, which database we want to connect? We want to connect to Power BI, Power BI MySQL connection. So the database name is Power BI MySQL connection. So that is the database name, Power BI MySQL connection. So I have given the database name. As of now, no need to use advanced options. Just click OK. It will ask for username and password. So I go to database, username is root, and I don't have any password, and select which level to apply these settings to. So I give the server name colon the database name. Now I give connect. It is saying we are unable to connect to data source using an encrypted connection. To access this data source using an unencrypted connection, click OK. So we will connect through unencrypted connection. So I'm clicking OK. It's connected, I think. It will show the tables now. Yeah, we are going to import all these three tables. So just click on each and every table. Yeah, all the three tables, and then give load. Transform data for changing column name, or deleting column, or removing any unwanted data. Those things we can go for transform data. As of now, we'll just load the data. So here in data section, the data will be there after it is loaded. It's getting loaded. We'll just wait. Yes, it's loaded. Yeah, it's loaded. And here we will see those datas. Yeah, it's loaded. Same like SQL, we can give enter data and create a new table. Okay, we'll create a new table. This table name we will give total, and we'll give load. Table is created. Now we'll go for transform data. We are going to add data into this table total. So I go for transform data and I select total table and I give append queries. So we want data from three or more tables. So concatenate rows from three or more tables into a single table. We want data from English, Maths, and Physics. Now click OK. So we'll delete these columns, not required. So right click and give remove the column. Right click, remove the column. Now we got all the data. Now click on the column and give group by. Okay, we want total marks. So go to advanced. Here select registration number and name. Okay, that will be common and group by what is the new column name? We will give total underscore marks. Operation sum. Which table, which column marks. So we give OK. So we got the total of each and every student. Now we give close and apply. Close and apply. Now we want to see visualization. Three rows loaded. So here we have report view, table view, relationship view. We'll create relationship. So here relationship is not created between the tables. So just click here. Either you can click here or you can go to manage relationships. So here I click on the three dot and go to manage relationship. I click new relation from table from English registration number to physics max registration number 1 to 1 both sides relation I create. Relation is created. Again click new relation and give from table English registration number to physics registration number 1 to 1 both ways. Save it. Cardinality I choose 1 is to 1 and both ways. Now new relation. So all relations are created. Now English registration number to table total registration number both ways 1 is to 1. So I save the relation. That's it. All relations are created. All relations are created. We have after this we you can give auto detect also if you want to check whether any more relations are there. So found no new relationship. So we have created all relationship. Now close it. Now go to in table view you can see all the tables and its data. We'll go to report view. We will create stacked column chart and then in English we will select name in x-axis and marks in y-axis. So we got. We can click here another stacked column, another stacked chart. Again from max I drag name to x-axis and marks to y-axis. We got another stacked chart and then I drag name to x-axis and marks to y-axis. So we got for all the table name and sum of marks. Text we can change it. So here we have the format option. Here x-axis, y-axis are there. Columns are there. In general, title, it is sum of marks by name. So we can change the text to first one is English. So English. And then select it, go to general. Instead of sum of marks by name, we can give max. And then third is, so we have English first, Maths second, and then Physics. So we can change it to Physics. Physics. Now similarly, we can we can add a pie chart, and then we can add in total name, and then total marks in values. So we got again sum of total marks. Instead of that, we can give title as total marks. Now we have created the relation. So when I click each, you can see each student's mark in each subject. So Neelakantan is displayed and Balaji is displayed. Other visualization we'll see later. As of now, this is how to connect with Power BI with MySQL, load the table and get the data. Any queries you can mail to Arunkumar at the rate Arunkumar at the rate noiva.com. Yeah, thank you for watching. We'll see more videos later.